Alright, so if you get some Sidi boots, I have the Sidi Roar. But if you're walking into work, people start calling you the Tin Man and stuff, and they're squeaking. What you gotta do, the boot guy told me to lubricate the hinges. I did all that and I still had squeaks. So if you still got squeaks, what you need to do is in this area right up in here, and especially in here, you need to get up in there. And I use just white lithium grease. You could probably use some mink oil, any kind of lubricant. You could put 3-in-1 oil in there, and that'll take care of your squeak for you. Now nobody calls me the Tin Man anymore. And it works out great. It gets annoying after a while. Thought I'd share.